Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of adventure-focused travel with the Maxus T90 Explorer motorhome. Designed for explorers who value practicality, durability, and smart comfort, this motorhome offers a perfect balance between everyday usability and off-grid capability. Step inside and you'll find a clean, modern layout that prioritizes functionality without feeling cramped. Durable materials are used throughout, ensuring the interior can handle rugged travel while still offering a comfortable living experience. The seating area easily converts into a sleeping space, while smart storage compartments keep everything organized. The compact kitchenette includes a portable cooktop, sink, refrigerator, and essential storage, making meal preparation easy on the road. The sleeping setup provides a cozy and practical resting area, and the integrated wash facilities ensure basic comforts are always within reach, even far from civilization. Now, moving to the exterior, the Maxus T90 Explorer motorhome showcases a tough and purposeful design built for real-world adventure. Based on the rugged Maxus T90 pickup platform, it features a bold front fascia, protective cladding, and a raised ride height for improved ground clearance. The camper module is designed to withstand harsh conditions, while the exterior finish is both durable and weather-resistant. Practical additions like roof-mounted storage options, exterior utility access, and all-terrain tires enhance its off-road readiness. This motorhome looks at home whether parked at a campsite, cruising highways, or navigating remote trails. When it comes to performance, the Maxus T90 Explorer motorhome is powered by a reliable 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine that delivers strong torque and dependable efficiency. Paired with a smooth automatic or manual transmission, it offers confident performance both on paved roads and off-road terrain. The suspension is tuned for load carrying and stability, ensuring a controlled and comfortable ride even when fully equipped. With selectable drive modes and advanced traction systems, the T90 Explorer is well prepared for mud, sand, gravel, and uneven surfaces. Driver assist features such as parking sensors, a rear-view camera, and stability control make it easy to handle in tight spaces and urban environments. Finally, let's discuss the price. The Maxus T90 Explorer motorhome stands out for its affordability in the adventure motorhome segment. With an estimated starting price of around $65,000, it offers excellent value for travelers who want freedom and flexibility without the premium cost of luxury RVs. This motorhome includes the camper conversion, off-road capability, and essential living features, making it an attractive option for both first-time buyers and seasoned adventurers. It's a motorhome designed for experiences, not excess. To sum up, the Maxus T90 Explorer motorhome is a smart, capable, and adventure-ready vehicle built for those who want to explore beyond the beaten path. It combines rugged performance, practical living space, and excellent value into one versatile package. Whether you're planning weekend getaways or extended off-grid journeys, the T90 Explorer delivers reliability and freedom wherever the road takes you. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in camper and automotive excellence.